when I talk to individuals that are trying to figure out AI for the first time, I always mention like you have to look inside yourself and what is your superpower? Like, what are you really, really good at? So when you look at a creation that you're good at, you know whether it is going to work or not for that audience. Start there. Whether you are an instructional designer creating storyboards or multiple choice questions or a learning needs analysis, or you're a video producer and you're producing commercials or movies, anything like that. What are you really good at? And then what is your work? What are your workflows? Like, how do you get started? What's the creative process? What's the feedback process? Take a look at that and then start with AI, right?